What is the scientific name for orcas? Orcanus orca. How do orcas communicate with each other? Echolocation. What is the primary diet of orcas? Fish. What is the typical lifespan of an orca in the wild? 70 to 80 years. What is the distinctive black and white pattern on orcas called? Coloration. What is the largest member of the dolphin family? Orca. Which oceanic regions do orcas inhabit? All oceans. What is the average size of a mature male orca? 20 to 26 feet. How do orcas sleep? Half-brain sleep. How many teeth does an adult orca typically have? 40 to 56.